I was gifted these lights for an honest review. If you're looking to upgrade your outdoor lighting game, these might be the perfect addition to your home. These lights are sleek with a matte black finish that blends seamlessly into any modern home exterior. The cylinder shape adds a touch of elegance while still being simple enough to complement various architectural styles. These aren't just any regular outdoor lights. They're color changing bulbs that come with a remote as well as can be controlled from an app on your phone. So, whether you're in the mood for a warm, welcoming white light or want to set a vibrant, colorful scene for a party, these lights will do the trick. The RGBCW feature gives you a full spectrum of colors to play with, plus different modes like fading, strobing, and even music sync. The app control is user friendly, it allows you to customize the lighting to your preference, and you can even set schedules so your lights automatically switch on or change colors at a specific time. It's a fun way to add some personality and flair to your outdoor space, whether it's for a special occasion or just everyday ambiance. One thing I was concerned about was the weather resistance, but these lights are built to last, they're waterproof, and they continue to hold up against rain and humidity, as well as heat. To sum things up, if you're looking to add some customizable, colorful lighting to your home's exterior, these modern outdoor wall lights are definitely worth considering. They're stylish, functional, and a lot of fun to use. I'm thrilled with how they've transformed my outdoor space, and I'm sure that you'll love them too.